Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare modern technological solutions, like the Neon database, against the foundational importance of ISO standards. We'll explore how each approach contributes to successful projects, examining their unique strengths and ideal applications. This comparison will help you understand when to prioritize rapid innovation and when to lean on the robust frameworks provided by international standardization, ultimately guiding your decision-making process. Modern technologies, such as the Neon serverless Postgres database, offer incredible agility, allowing for rapid development and scaling to zero when idle, which can significantly reduce operational costs. 19, on the other hand, adhering to ISO standards, like ISO 27001 for information security, provides a globally recognized framework for robust security and quality management. These standards ensure reliability and build trust, especially in critical applications. Choosing between prioritizing cutting-edge technology or strict adherence to standards depends on your project's needs. Modern platforms are excellent for rapid development and scaling, perfect for startups or projects with fluctuating demands. Conversely, ISO standards are crucial for established enterprises and regulated sectors, where data integrity and security, like those ensured by ISO 27701 for privacy, are paramount. Often, the best strategy involves leveraging innovative tools that also achieve key ISO compliances. It's important to recognize that modern technology and ISO standards are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they can be highly complementary. Many innovative platforms, including the Neon database, actively pursue and achieve ISO certifications like 27001 and 27701, demonstrating a commitment to both cutting-edge features and robust security. The future lies in solutions that offer the best of both worlds: agility, scalability, and unwavering adherence to global quality and security benchmarks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.